Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the bottom case of your Lenovo Ideapad 3 is loose, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to wear and tear over time or if the device has been dropped. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage, such as internal components becoming exposed or damaged. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some new screws if necessary. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, take your plastic opening tool and gently slide it between the bottom case and the device. Carefully work your way around the edges to release the clips holding the case in place. Be sure to apply even pressure to avoid breaking any clips. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the bottom case removed, check for any loose components that may be causing the issue. Often, the screws holding the bottom case can become loose themselves. If you find any missing screws, replace them with new ones. Make sure to tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage to the casing. Once everything is tightened and secure, align the bottom case back onto the device. Press down gently around the edges to ensure it clicks back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, following the same order to avoid confusion. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad 3 to ensure everything is functioning correctly and that the bottom case is now secure. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to handle your device with care, avoid dropping it, and periodically check the screws to ensure they remain tight. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.